Shoom AI music app, one of the best and easiest to use AI music apps right now. This is a huge new trend of AI music apps, and this one is the top one as of right now. It's super easy to use. It requires a subscription, but yeah, searching for that special tune to sync with your mood and taste. Create it yourself with Shoom, an AI music and AI song generator that loves great music as much as you do. Shoom, the music maker and AI songwriter, creating your AI own song is like hitting play on your favorite track, is an enjoyable. So you set the vibe and genre and input lyrics. Shoom generates easy storage and sharing of your AI music. So you can do that. And then yeah, you can just see create any masterpiece, choose any music style, use your lyrics, save and share your songs. So then you can see the details, how you can just easily create it. And then weekly access, there is a nice deal where you can try literally for 99 cents. 7 days for 99 cents, then $10 per week. So yeah, you can just get full access or get yearly access for $40. That's pretty good deal right now, as you can see. So yeah, for example, so yeah, now you have, as you can see, I have a upgraded version, and then I can create any song. So I just create descriptions, random descriptions. I can select music style, I can select lyrics, I can see some advanced stuff, add some lyrics, song name, and then your voice. Add your voice. You can add your voice, tap and sing with your voice, song name, and yeah, then you can just create it. It takes few minutes. So explore. So then you can just see it in here. Then you see the library. So yeah, then obviously you just need to sign in. Super easy and quick. Then you have your account. You need more credits. So one generation, only $2. So as you can see, it's quite a good deal to have this 1 week trial. 20 generation, $20. Need more generation, you need to get more credits. So with a week free trial, you're getting 10 credits. So you can try with 10 songs during a week. So that's kind of what it is. Almost done, almost done. But you know, there are some other AI music apps like Mozart AI, like iTunes AI or something like that. But Shoom AI is literally the simplest you have on mobile, and it's quite advanced. And then you can just create these tracks and share with your friends. So yeah, your tune is ready. So let's take a look. For some reason, it generated two tunes. I find my carrying story in every. That's kind of the idea. Music style, song description. You can also see lyrics as well. Pretty cool. And then you can download this audio, view proof of creation, download this video or delete. Proof of creation, you can see a certificate. And then you can add your name, and then you can also get certificate for $20. I don't know why you need this. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. And then you have your account. You can delete your account. There are no referral codes. There are no invite codes, as I understand. So only just like a general link. Otherwise, I would share some promo code with you. But yeah, they really have some nice deal right now where you can get this app for like 99 cents for a week. So grab this deal, SAP, and try creating some songs. So here then you have done, and then you can download as audio and share with your friends.